In this video, we will show you how to install Snapchat on PC. To install Snapchat on PC, you can using emulator like BlueStacks. In here, we already installed BlueStack. You can get the BlueStack application by clicking link on the pinned comments if you need the offline installer. After you install the BlueStacks, you can log in into your Play Store. And you can find Snapchat in here and click install. BlueStack is safe application to install Android application. So you don't worry with this BlueStacks emulator. After the download is complete, you can wait until the Snapchat is scanned for open. In here, you can click open to open the Snapchat, and we click sign up. In here, for example, we're using name Jondo and sign up and accept. Okay, username. Okay, click continue, and we can set a password here. Click continue. Select the number you want to including in here. For example, we have United States number, for example. And now you are done to using Snapchat on your Windows. You can using full screen if you like. Okay, that's all tutorial how to using Snapchat on Windows. Hope this video helpful for you.